Hi folks, I'm slowly going on to the new bit of the lane at gate 3. This is the new road. And there's lots of tractors and stuff here. And I don't know if I'm going to get access. But stopping, probably need to reverse. And this is the new road, plant going back and forth. And this was where the Roman Mansio of Witton used to be, well, a little bit further over on the right. And it's been completely destroyed, levelled for a road that is in fact many metres above. This is actually, we're driving on where the Roman, they've sort of spotted me. I'm gonna have to turn around. Oh god. I'm gonna turn around.